Hi, welcome back to our podcast where we dive deep into the soul of the stars and uncover the energy shaping your path. Today, we're entering the shadow and the flame, that realm of Scorpio rising. Whether this is your rising sign or you're feeling cold to its energy, this mantra is your portal to personal power, transformation, and truth. Take a deep breath with me and let's begin. I rise like the phoenix from the ashes. My depth is my power. My truth is my armor. My presence transforms. I am the keeper of secrets and the revealer of light. I embrace endings as getaways to my evolution. What I release, I reclaim in strength. What I fear, I face and transmute. I do not chase, I attract what aligns with my soul. I am magnetic, mysterious, and unshakable, rooted in my power. I see beyond illusions. I trust my intuition. I am a Scorpio rising. This mantra is more than words, it's a spell, a vibration. Scorpio rising isn't here to stay surface level. You're here to transform, to inspire fear and awe, to feel it all, and to rise above what tried to break you. Let this mantra guide you today. Whisper it, shout it, breathe it in. You are the power incarnate. If you feel this is in your bones, share this episode with someone else. And until next time, stay bold, stay radiant, and never fear your own power.